Hello, how there? You're welcome to Fortitude Shammah Craft. Today we'll be learning how to make this Senegal Zara cap. This is trending cap. You can use any fabric to make this design. Let's start. These are the materials we are going to use for this design. You are going to need your soft marco. The measurement is 18 by 3. 18 by 3, and this is ashoke. 3 hours of ashoke is enough if you are going to cover this, but if you are making it in form of band, just like what I want to do, 2 hours is okay for you. So the measurement for the band is 23.5, 2 pieces of it, 23.5, 2 pieces of it. So you are going to sew it. You fold it into 2, just fold it this way, sew it straight down, then you turn it inside out. So the same thing you will do to the second ashoke. So let's put it aside. Then for the design, for the pleated design, the measurement for that pleated design is 3 by 30. 3 by 30. So what we will do is that just take 1 hour of ashoke, cut it into 2. Just cut it into 2 by 30. Then you sew it straight down. Afterward, you turn it inside out. So you need 6 pieces of that. You can see 6 pieces of that. So it will be 3 by 30. Whatever the measurement of your ashoke, just fold it into 2, cut it straight down, divide it into 2, sew it straight down and turn it inside out. So the measurement for the wording is 1 inch. After sewing your ashoke, you are going to measure the width to determine the measurement of your wording, but this one is 1 inch. 1 inch. You can, if you want it thicker, you can double it. You measure 2 inches, then fold it into 2 and insert it into your ashoke. So for the wording, you are going to cut 6 pieces of it. If you want it thicker, you are going to cut double of 1 inch, make it 2 inch, then you fold it and insert it. So the measurement of the length of the wording is 28 inches. 28 inches. I'm using the screwdriver to insert it inside. You can make use of your safety pin to pull it inside the ashoke. So cut 28 inches so that there will be allowance at the edge of at the edge. So there is wording inside the 6 pieces now. So the next thing you are going to take your the band. Insert your marco into it. Insert your marco into it. Just the way I'm doing it, insert it into it. Make sure the measurement, the allowance at the edge, on both edges are the same. Your marco should be at the center. Your marco should be at the center. So this is it. There is marco at it. So for you to know if it is at the center, if your marco is at the center, fold it equally this form and check if the edge of the marco are on the same thing. Then you mark the center of it. So chalk it out. When you chalk it out, put it aside, then come back to the pleated design that will be on it. So you are going to mark the center of the 6 pleated design. Mark the center just the way you did to the marco, to the headband. So put it aside again. We are going to put elastic. Let's form our headband. The measurement of the elastic is 5.5. You can make it 6, make it 3 inches. You are going to cut it into 2, 3 inches on both, 3 inches, 2 pieces of it. So you are going to place it, just place the edge of the elastic at the down part of your band. At the down, make sure it's at the down part. Don't let it be at the center. Then let the edge of the elastic be on top of the marco. Just let the edge of the elastic be on top of the marco. Put it at the down part, not at the top of the marco, not at the center, but at the down part, so that it will be firm. The circumference will be firm on your client's head. So that's why it has to be at the down part. So let the elastic be on top of the marco, then you pin it down. You are going to sew. Don't sew on the marco. You are going to sew after the marco. You are going to sew the elastic down after the marco. Don't drag it. After sewing, don't drag it. Just pull the ashoke inward, pin it down again. You are going to sew that edge as well. Just look at what I'm doing. I'm going to pull it down, put the ashoke down, then sew the elastic together with the ashoke. So at the end, I'm going to sew it together. So see the outcome of it. That's the center. Now you are going to work on the pleating. Look at it very well. If you don't get it at once, watch it again. You will get it. It's very simple to get. So the center of you are going to make use of your hot gum or your UHU gum. I don't have UHU gum. I'm going to make use of hot gum. There is no light. I'm not using the machine, but I'm going to use my lighter and the candle wax to gum it down. So just look at what I'm doing. The center of the pleated design will be at the center of the band, and at the end you are not going to gum it to the end. You are going to leave like 1 inch allowance. Can you see it? So just watch and learn. So you are going to put the center of the pleated design to the center of the band. So you are going to gum it down. As you are gumming it down, you are going to drag it. Let it be firm. Let it be firm. You drag it. Let it be firm. In this business, you just have to be creative. Just have to be creative. So you drag it as you are gumming it down. Drag it. Drag it. So the same thing, make sure it's at the center of the band. You place the pleated design at the center. And that's what I am doing now. You drag it as you are gumming it down. At the back, just leave like 1 inch, 1 inch at the back. Leave like 1 inch at the back. Make sure your work is neat. Don't let the wax spoil your work. Make sure your work is neat. Alright, now look at it. The second one is going to be at the center, but you are going to place that side up. You are going to lift it up. It's not going to be straight. Look at it. One side you are going to lift it up. Can you see it? So it's going to be up. It's going to be up. You will lift it up. Then the other side will be down. You will bring the other side down. One side will be up, the other side will be down. So, but make sure that the center is equal. So you are going to leave like 1.5 inch, to the down part. Then at this side you are going to leave 1/2 inch at the top. So you will drag, gum one side to the top, then the other side to the down part. So just look at it. You see where I'm placing the wax. It's at the top, not at the center. Not at the center. So don't let the second layers to be equal with the first layer. Let there be like 1/2 inch to the top. I'm placing the wax at the top. I'm placing the wax at the top, not at the center, not at the down part. So at the top. So it's like layers now. There is a gap between the down pleated design and the second pleated design. So this one will move down. See that I'm putting the wax at the down part of the first layers. The wax is at the down part of the first layer. The other side is at the top part of the first layer. So by the time I gum it down, there will be a little gap, like 1/2 inch at the top of the first layer. Can you see it? Alright, so we want to place the third layers. The center, just be mindful of the center. So this one will be at the top again, at the top. So there is going to be 1/2 inch on that second layer. So you place it at the top again. Place it at the top. And as you are placing it, you drag. As you are placing it, you drag. Now I want to place another layer the same way at the top, then down parts till you get to the last layer. You can make yours 8 pieces. It depends on what you want. So now let's work at the back. I'm going to cut off the excess. When I cut off the excess, I am going to tack it down. Cut off the excess, then you tack it down. So I'm going to tack it down, then I will tack the other side down too. I'm cutting the excess of the wording so that it won't be bulky. It will be easy for me to tack down. Alright, sorry, I didn't know that I didn't cover this this side. So after tacking it down, what I did is that I made a design. Just form a design, any design of you can make a bow, you can any design of your choice to cover the rough part at the back, the way we normally do to the Zara cap. So I'm going to tell you what I did, how I make the bow at the design at the back. So sew the edge. So I just form a pleating. Can you see what I did? So very simple thing. So just I form a fan at the back, just a fan, then I place it at the to cover that rough part. So you can make design of any of your choice to cover that rough part. So that is all I did. Then I tack it down. I tack it down. That is all about it. I hope you have learned something. So you just have to be creative, make it neat, make it beautiful. All rough parts must be covered. That's all about the design. So this is Senegalese Zara cap, and this is headband of it. You can make it full cap by covering the center. So the cap is ready. Can you see how beautiful it is? If you have watched to this extent and you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly support us by doing so right now. Turn on your notifications so that you can be getting updates. Like, share and comment. When you share, others will benefit from it. Our returning subscriber, we appreciate you, we love you. Thanks for supporting us. God bless you richly. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next tutorial. We love you. Bye.